I don't even know why this product is not even trending on social media, because a lot of people are missing out on using alpha abutin for their dark spots. Hi loves, welcome and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys one particular product that is going to help get rid of your dark spots. I promised you guys in my previous video that I'm going to be showing you guys a product that is going to completely get rid of your dark spots. Once you are treating acne, the next thing that you're going to treat is the dark spots on your skin, and this particular product is going to help you do that. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. So this is the product I'm currently using that is currently targeting my dark spots. This is the Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum. This is the Beauty of Joseon. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is the Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum, and you guys can see that I have been using this particular serum for a while now, and it has really helped my skin, honestly, in terms of getting rid of the dark spot, because dark spot is something that it can really stay on the skin for a very long time. Sometimes if you have dark spot on your skin, it can last for like 6 months to even a year before it will get rid of. Since I started using this product, I've come to realize that this product really work, and it's very effective. This product contains alpha abutin, and it also contains rice extract. Now when you're trying to get rid of dark spots, you need to focus on the ingredients in the product that you are getting. Okay, in terms of getting rid of dark spots, we have ingredients like azelaic acid, kojic acid, vitamin C, and alpha abutin is also one of the best ingredients that you can use to target your dark spots or hyperpigmentation on your skin. And using alpha abutin is also very good, and this particular serum is not just a serum, but it also contains rice extract, which is also going to improve your skin textures. If you have fine line or wrinkles, or if you have age spots, this is also going to help also moisturize your skin and also hydrate your skin and nourish your skin, and also boost the glow and radiance on your skin. So this is the main reason why I love this particular serum, and I have been using it for the past 3 weeks now, and I would say that this serum is amazing. It is very good if you are trying to get rid of your dark spot. And let me say this, I know that there are a lot of products in the market. If you want to get rid of your dark spots, we have the niacinamide serum in the market. We have a lot of products in the market that you can use to get rid of your dark spot, but this is one of the serum that I have personally used, and I will tell you for a fact that this product is effective. It is going to get rid of your dark spots completely. Now, how are you going to use this product if you want to get the effectiveness of this product? The first thing that you need to do is that you need to use this product 2 times daily. Yes, you need to use it in the morning and also at night. And if you are using this product, you need to use it alongside your sunscreen. Yes, it is a must that you need to use your sunscreen while using this product, because this is containing alpha abutin, which is a very good lightening agent. Now, this product is not going to bleach your skin. It is just going to target the dark spots on your skin, or if you have hyperpigmentation on your skin, or if you have age spots on your skin. This particular serum is just going to target those concerns and get rid of the dark spot. It is not going to bleach your skin, so be rest assured that you are not going to be experiencing any kind of bleaching stuff. Because I know a lot of you guys want to really target the dark spots on your skin, but you don't want to like tune your skin. You don't want to bleach your skin. You just want to like target the concerns on your skin, and this particular serum is going to do that. And it is containing rice extract, which is also one of my favorite ingredients in terms of boosting the collagen in the skin, and also, you know, just giving your skin that radiant and glowing skin. This particular serum is going to do that for you, and it's just going to leave your skin looking flawless and very plump. So using this particular serum is just the best. And if I should rate this particular serum, I'll rate it 10 over 10. Yes, 10 over 10, because I have been using several serums in terms of targeting dark spots, but I will say that in less than 3 weeks, this particular serum really targets my dark spots and get rid of my dark spots. Like, I'm going to leave a before and after picture on my screen so you guys can see what I'm talking about, that this product is really effective. And currently in the market, you can get this particular serum for I think 12,000 naira or 13,000 naira thereabouts. And guys, trust me, investing your money in this particular serum is just the best. Like, you're not going to regret it. You're not going to regret investing your money in this particular serum, because you're going to be getting what you paid for. You're going to be getting value for your money. Honestly, I've been using this product for a while now, and I've seen tremendously effect on my skin, and I don't want to gatekeep than to come here and put it out for you guys and show you guys that this is one of the products I'm currently using now to get rid of my dark spot, and it is really working. This product work. It is not hyping. I don't even know why this product is not even trending on social media, because a lot of people are missing out on using alpha aburtin for their dark spot. You think the only ingredients that you can use for your dark spot is kojic acid or licorice extract? You can also use alpha aburtin to get the best results if you're trying to target your dark spot on your skin. And with this particular serum, it is going to help you get the job done. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Do well to like this video and also share with a friend, and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.